apple.
A for apple.
B for baby.
B for baby.
C for candy.
C for candy.
D for diamond.
D for diamond.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fruit.
F for fruit.
G for glasses.
G for glasses.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for injection.
I for injection.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
M for money.
M for money.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for pear.
P for pear.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
A is for astronaut, floating in space. B is for banana with a funny face. C is for clown with a big red nose. D is for dinosaur with really big toes. Phonics, phonics, come and join the fun. Learning our letters one by one. From A to Z we'll laugh and play with funny sounds. boy wearing polka dot pants. Phonics, phonics, come and join the fun, learning our letters one by one. From A to Z we'll laugh and play, with funny sounds we'll learn the way. I is for ice cream, melting on the floor. J is for jelly, wobbling some more. K is for kangaroo, bouncing with delight. L is for llama, laughing with all its might. Phonics, phonics, come and join the fun, learning our letters one by one. From A to Z we'll laugh and play, with funny sounds we'll learn the way. N is for monkey, swinging from a vine. N is for ninja, doing tricks so fine. O is for octopus, juggling some balls. P is for penguin, sliding down the halls. Phonics, phonics, sliding down the halls. Q is for quack, like a duck in a pond. R is for robot, dancing to a funny song. S is for snail, sliding really slow. T is for tiger, roaring with a mighty roar. Phonics, phonics, sliding down the halls. U is for unicorn, with a rainbow mane. V is for vampire, hiding from the rain. W is for walrus, wiggling its whiskers. X is for X-ray, peeking at your stickers. Y is for yo-yo, spinning, rounding, spinning round and round. Z is for zebra, dancing with a